In the early 1990s, Singapore's skyline was a symbol of progress and prosperity. A series of brutal murders at construction sites left the nation in fear. Over 15 months, more than 10 construction workers were found murdered. The victims were primarily foreign laborers, attacked during the night. Despite extensive investigations, the perpetrators remained elusive. Authorities suspected a gang targeting fellow workers for robbery. In response, construction companies heightened security measures. Decades later, the murders remain unsolved, a dark chapter in history. Like and subscribe for more true construction crime.